BROCHIKAS. We just got into a Walmart and I'm gonna be filming the Walmart clearance haul video right now. I actually got cut from work early, so I didn't want to waste my day because I felt like I did nothing valid, like nothing important. So first I'm gonna go to the hair care section and see what's up. Alright, first stop is this end cap, and I'm over here by the travel section and the protein drinks. And not a lot of people look at this section, but they always have random clearance. I already found something exciting. This is a travel dry shampoo for 50 cents. We'll take that. Put that in the cart. They've got like toothbrush holders and pill holders. Some baby shampoo, travel size. There's a razor for 75 cents. How many are in here? Oh, this is just one, but it's originally 97, so that's not that exciting. Some Dramamine, but it's not much of a discount. Sometimes it's really not worth it. That's kind of worth it. That's like half off. But I'll have one of those toothbrushes. Teeth whitening kit. That's a pretty good deal. That's like more than half off. Crest gum sensitivity. It's like half off. That's pretty good. That seems to be not marked. I don't even know what that is. Okay, let's see. Got some shave cream. Color equalizer spray. Oh, that's interesting. And some Revlon hair color for $3. It's actually a pretty good deal. In this next clip, I'm over in the beauty section by the makeup and the skincare. Here is the little clearance end cap here. It looks like a lot of product, but in my opinion, it's not very exciting. It's a bunch of nail polishes and some foundations that have been there for a long time and they haven't gone down in price. They've been there for months, and if they had gone down in price, it would be interesting to me. There's some concealers and some contour palettes, but nothing really crazy. Aren't on sale, but I do need to get some more false nails. But I noticed that Salon Perfect came out with press-on nails, which is kind of cool. So I'm actually gonna pick up this set right here because I really like the look of it, and they're only $5.94 and you get 24 nails. And I also saw these, which are $5.98 for 24 nails as well, and they have some crazy designs. This is Sinful Colors. They have a nail polish that's like always super affordable. I think they're usually $2.98, but I'm also gonna pick up these clear jelly pink ones because I think they're super cute. And look at these little cherries, super cute nail stuff. And then what else is new over here is they have, Kiss has extra long nails now, but those are like way too crazy for me. I would not be able to wear those. And then here's some new long like stiletto ones. All right, BROCHIKAS, so I've picked up a bunch of the essentials that I like actually need to get, and now I'm gonna go to the general clearance area to see what's going on over there. It's always back here by the hardware and the tools. So looks like we got a bunch of stuff going on here. Hatchimals?
Yeah, the squishies.
For $2, so that's less than half. That's pretty good.
Can I get one?
Yes.
I like the little birdie actually.
And which one for your brother?
Oh, maybe these. How about this little cutie?
Okay, so that whole section was kind of like lackluster, but the only interesting thing I found were these throw pillows are $3, but they're not the best quality, and they were originally $4.96, so it's really not that crazy. So I think I'm gonna put them back, but everything there is just like luggage for $45. They have some candles, but they're the really tall stick ones. There's just really nothing exciting. So they just have some of these like votives, like candlesticks, but like I'm not willing to pay $7. And then all of these little tea light holders, which I don't need. Some shoe clearance, but these are some weird shoes. I don't know what this is trying to be, but I don't know if I like that. And then there's some men's flip-flops for $11, so not really that exciting. But these were marked down in January, so they could be cheaper. I'm gonna try the Walmart app real quick. We also have some winter clearance here, so just gloves. Those nice ones are $3.50. There's the regular, hold on please. The regular ones for 75 cents, but these are the ones with the touchscreen fingers for $3.50.
Comfortable, you like them? Don't put your mouth by that basket, it's dirty, but my baby. Yeah, I like these. You like them or no? Are they cute? Are they comfortable? No, you just like your boots. Boots. Okay.
So these cheetah flats are $5 and they have so many. And I actually have a pair of these in like the pink, so I'm considering getting this. More in the pajamas, and it looks like they've got some little penguin pajama pants for $5. Ooh, this is really soft. Okay, this is not clearance, but for $6.44, this like huge sleep t-shirt dress, I am definitely getting this. There's coffee all over it, and it is so cute. And they have a little bunny one, and they have one, oh, that's cute too, with the lashes. Let me look over here. And they also have this cheetah print one, and then this one with umbrellas. I guess that's supposed to be like springtime. Just Hug Me, it's kind of cute. And then that's kind of ugly. So I am getting the coffee one. I found some $2 white flowy shirts. So these are $2. $3 shirt. So there's all these little wallets and like little clutches. Like you put your smartphone in here and you have this furry thing to hold on to. And this is only $2.50 from $10. And you have this red one, which is pretty cute. Alright, BROCHIKAS, so I'm done shopping at Walmart now. I saw some pretty good things and some like not so good. Like, it's definitely not the best clearance I've seen. Even though a lot of items were on clearance, they weren't really dropped that low. And that's one thing that bothers me about Walmart. And don't get me wrong, I love Walmart. But it bothers me that they'll put this bright yellow sticker on it that says clearance. And then you're like, yay, oh my gosh, it's marked down. Pay attention to the original price, because you'll notice a lot of the times it's only like a 50-cent discount. How is that clearance? That's a sale. I feel like a sale is when it's only like a little bit, and a clearance is like, whoa, this dropped so incredibly low, we need to get rid of this now. That's what clearance says to me. So there was a lot of things I saw that I liked, but it wasn't low enough of a price for me to grab it. So I did get a few items, and then I left a few items behind. I thought I was gonna get those cheetah shoes because I had seen them, and that's kind of what I went back for. And then I realized, you know, the quality is not that good, and like, how many wears will I really get out of cheetah shoes? Even though they're only $5, there was a bunch of other things I'd rather get, and I did spend $60 today. So in a separate video, I'm going to do a haul, because I did get a few items that were fully priced items. So if you're interested in seeing the haul, stay tuned. I will film that right after this one, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoy videos like this, so that I know to film more for you guys. And if you want to see what I actually bought, then make sure you check that video out as well. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.